Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix screen share audio not working in Discord. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is simply head over and open up the App Store. Then on the search bar simply type in Discord and then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been completed, all you gotta do is try again. So if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then select settings. Now once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Then once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage. Then once inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down until you find the Discord app and then simply tap on it. Now among the options you'll be provided with, simply select upload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been completed, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.